私の計算が正しければ車が時速140キロに達した瞬間にぶったまげるようなことが起こるんだ。
Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing with the secondary heroes. This is your old pal, Delorean Wolfgang, and today I'll be unboxing something that I picked up on eBay, because if you're anything like me, you go onto eBay and you end up spending just a ton of money on stuff you really don't need, but it's stuff you really want. And you don't even know that you need it until you see it. And then you're like, alright, I gotta get it. So that's what I did here, was I found something that I didn't know that I needed. I didn't know I wanted it. And then I saw it, and then I had to have it. This guy has eBay tape. I mean, he knows what he's doing. Oh my god. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh! It's even better when I take the plastic off. Okay. This here is the Japanese version of Back to the Future on LaserDisc. I don't know why, but when I saw this on eBay, I had to have it. The Japanese lettering is awesome. I love that. I mean, the movie poster is crisp, it's beautiful. This is pretty much like having a vinyl album, but it's LaserDisc. So I kind of think it's better. I'm not a collector of albums, but I do have the Back to the Future 1 through 3 Mondo albums. Oh, this is just too cool. Looks like there's just a little bit of dent right there, but you know what? I can get past that. This is a beautiful piece, man. I'm super excited about it. Oh, and even on the back. They've even got scenes from the movie on the back. It's all in Japanese. So if you don't know anything about LaserDiscs, let me just show you what it is. So a LaserDisc is pretty much a giant CD or DVD. Oh, I'm getting my fingerprints all over this thing. So it's pretty much a DVD, just they made these back in the early 90s. I think they're absolutely beautiful. This is the first LaserDisc I think I've ever held. This is heavier than a vinyl record. The cool thing about LaserDiscs is it was kind of the first time when they were able to put some behind the scenes videos, extras. This was back in like 1990 when LaserDiscs really took it big and became bigger than like VHS and whatnot. You had way higher quality than VHS. If you wanted top of the line, you got LaserDisc, but you were paying a hefty price. And it turns out that LaserDisc actually lasted for, oh, there's more in here? What's this? I don't know what this is, but it's all in Japanese, so I don't know. It's kind of neat. Oh, okay, so this is how to turn on subtitles. But it was interesting stuff. It was interesting that this actually, LaserDiscs were way bigger in Japan and China than they were out here in the States.
せっかく書いた手紙を破るなんてひどいよ。もう少し時間があれば。待てよ。タイムマシンで10分早く戻ればいいんだ。そうすればドクに事前に知らせられる。よし、10分早くしよう。
So that is my unboxing of the Back to the Future LaserDisc. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think this is cool. This is gonna look great in my collection. I can't wait to get it on my shelf. Eventually I'm gonna frame it. I'll probably frame it like I framed my Mondo vinyl, which is cool because I got the vinyl underneath the actual album art on top, so you can see both of them. Make sure to follow us over on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We're putting out podcasts every week. We're actually going to be doing a little bit more of a revamp where we're going to be doing more with other podcasts. We're going to be doing a lot more for just our podcast where we're going to be having extra shows. So hopefully you enjoy listening to our voice because honestly, we enjoy talking. If you don't mind, rate and review our podcast over on any of the platforms that you listen, because all of this is free for you and it's priceless to us. Konnichiwa!
もうダメか。かかれ。ダメか。